All right, the midpoint of a line segment formula is pretty straightforward. In this formula, you can break it up into two halves. This half here is for the x-coordinate of the midpoint, and this half of the formula is for the y-coordinate of the midpoint. And so you can actually break it up in your head into two parts, or two separate parts. One half for the x-coordinate, one half for the y-coordinate. And we'll think of it that way later on, or in a different video when I show you how to find, or given the end point and the midpoint, how to find the other endpoint. But for now, I'm just going to clean this up so we can get using this formula. Just give me a second. So to start, I'll label my points. So -5 is x1 and positive 11 is y1. Over my b, there's x2 and that's y2. So 1 is x2 and -3 is y2. So I'm now going to find the midpoint of AB, and commonly it's common to use the subscript AB to denote what you're doing. X1 is -5 and B is 1. And because you're finding the midpoint of the average, you divide by 2, because there's only 2 points. And y1 would be 11 plus -3 divided by 2. -5 plus 1 gets me to -4/2. And then 11 plus -3 gets me to positive 8/2. And I've picked some better values in past examples. That's -2, 4. And there is my midpoint of line segment AB.